it? What's up? It's Mr. Neil, all the way from the big island of Hawaii. You know what? A lot of people don't know that one of the greatest American musicians of all times, somebody who I think influenced hip-hop in a big way, is a guy named John Williams. Who? He's a classical musician from America. But you know what? He made so many great movie soundtracks. He's the guy who did... Experience. Or did... Honestly, John Williams has influenced us so much in ways we don't even understand. Sometimes when I'm swimming in the ocean in Hawaii, I'll hear a little John Williams in my head. I'll hear... Check it out. John Williams did way more than just scare us. He also inspired us. In an old movie called Close Encounters of the Third Kind, there's a chance where aliens come to Earth, and aliens get a chance to communicate with humans, but they don't speak English. We don't speak alien. So what do you know? They try to use music. And John Williams orchestrated a song goes... And the aliens hear it, they go... So we answer back... And they say... I don't know what we were talking about, but it was an intense alien-human conversation. Then finally the aliens take over. They take it so far, they go... And all the windows shatter. It's one of the coolest scenes in a movie ever. And it's all because of the imagination of somebody like John Williams. He could take sound and create emotion. You know what? You can create emotion too. I don't know if you know this, but Mary Shelley invented science fiction when she was just a teenage kid. Her and her friends had a dare who could come up with the best idea, the most scary story. And in that moment, Mary Shelley went home and she wrote Frankenstein, one of the greatest novels ever, one of the most imitated novels ever. The idea of a scientist in his or her laboratory creating a monster beyond their own control, that's all an idea, an invention in the mind of a teenage kid like Mary Shelley. So this summer, I'm going to teach you guys how to beatbox, how to make some weird noises. I'm going to try to inspire you to tickle your own imagination, see what kind of characters and ideas you can come up with. At the end, we're going to do a great art project where we're going to create our own characters. When I was a kid, I looked up to one of the greatest superheroes of all time, the first space alien, also a John Williams song, when he said, Superman. Special shout out to all my super boys and super girls in Garfield County. Whether you're in Glenwood Springs or Rifle or Silt, wherever, I want to make sure that you send in your character idea to the library. So please download the PDF from the website, fill it out, create your character, and submit it to us at the library so we can celebrate you online. Maybe you'll become the next Mary Shelley or the next John Williams, someone who uses your imagination to create great things. Aloha, y'all. Oh wow, Mr. Neil, hip hop for families. Peace.